Hey everyone, I'm Domingo Gomez, and if you have a new Android and you want to transfer everything you have to this new phone, you only need a Wi-Fi connection, a USB cable, and 2 minutes. If your new phone was used before, I recommend resetting it to factory settings, and in your old phone, back it up to Google from settings. Now on the new phone, connect it to the Wi-Fi and continue until this window. On Pixel, it looks like this, and on Samsung, it's similar but different. When you select copy, you will see it ask you to connect it via USB, so you just connect both phones via USB-C cable, and then confirm on your phone that you want to proceed. Now your new phone will analyze all the information you have and show you a list of everything you can transfer. And in the apps, you can even choose which ones you want. When you're ready, just hit copy. Continue the basic setup on the phone, and after a few minutes, your new phone will start downloading the apps, and in your gallery, you will find all your photos and videos. And don't worry, because if you don't have a USB-C cable with you, you can always tap here and copy without the cable. On your old phone, just open Google app and say set up my device and confirm all the screens that appear until you reach the same one that I showed you before. Everything that I just showed you, it's very similar across the board, with all Android devices, but if you own a Samsung phone, it's just a tiny bit different, because when you tap here, it shows you the code to transfer all your Google accounts. Then it connects to the phone and shows you this window, which when you continue will ask you to install Smart Switch on your old phone and request many permissions. Continue to choose the method you want to transfer the data and proceed to select once more which data you want to transfer to your new device. The method I just showed you are completely free, and the best thing is that you can transfer your apps, your photos, your videos, contact messages, and even the settings that you had in your old phone. However, remember there are apps like WhatsApp, for example, where you have to do the backup within the app, and when you install the same app on your new phone, just import it. So now you know how to transfer Android to Android in 2 minutes. I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.